Hello everybody, how are you everyone out there? This is Manding Celia again, and today I will be having an unboxing. My live streaming camera was maybe broken. I cannot fix it anymore. My kitty camera, and I'll show you this one. This is my live streaming camera. It has light with 3 settings. I don't want the big ones, so that it's easy to carry. So I will unbox this one first, and I hope this is good. So this is, the name is C922 Pro HD Stream Webcam, and the brand is Logitech. Okay, there you go. Oh, that's it. Small one. This is a very small one. I hope I will not try it. Let's open. How am I going to open it? Please don't. Oops. And this comes with a tripod. Look at this cutie tripod. It's high frame rate video streaming, full HD 1080p, 30 fps or 720p. That is pixel, I think. 60 fps. Video streaming with 78 degrees, DFOV and autofocus. Stereo audio with dual mics. So it has microphone. Stream with your natural voice plus dual mics, filter out unwanted audio. So this is it. This is a very small one. Oops. I'm trying to. Okay. This is it. Here, you just plug it in your laptop, and then here it has a hole, and plastic is there. And this is a little bit expensive than that. This one, the price was $99, and I think the original price was $149, I think. So here you can open and clip it to your laptop because it has hole. And what is good with this is it has a tripod, very cute one. Let's see this tripod. Very small. Okay, here, and I thought it's adjustable. Look at this, cute. I almost break it. And it will swivel because it has ball. You see? You will see. What is this for? Look. Oh. So you can use it like this. This is good. Look, I like the tripod because it is like a good quality. See? So maybe the tripod also is Logitech. I think so. So it will be, how to lock this? You can turn there. It's a cutie. The legs are so sturdy also. I don't know what is that for. Oh, this one maybe to make it steady so that it will not move, this one. Because if I will do like this, then it will loosen. Okay. So this is my Logitech camera. So I find something also, which is cutie one. I don't need this actually. Look at this. This is $20. Here is 3.5 LED ring light. So I just need that very cutie one. So it is said support flex phone holder. Let us see what is inside. We cannot easily open when we are at the store. We just buy our things and then, not like in Philippines or at home that we will let sometimes we will ask the in charge to open and try it, but here no, I haven't. Okay, so this is it. This is it, pansit. I don't know how to use this. So there is a paper here. Brightness. So it has adjustment settings, brightness plus or minus, on off button. So this is double. This is a phone holder and the ring light. But it's just very cute. Ay, it's like I like it. This is it. Look what I bought today. You see this? It's just like, oh, where is the phone holder? Why there is a picture of phone holder but only like this? And there is a clip. So you have to clip from wherever you want to clip. Maybe on the table, clip it on the table. Then, why there's something? Magnet? I don't know. Why it's like that? Phone holder. How can it hold the phone? There's nothing. This is a phone holder? Explain to me, where is the phone holder? Maybe they are wrong. Because it says like this. And where is the phone holder? Okay, this is what a minute, there's something more. Here. I thought they are wrong to send me something. This is the phone holder. Look. So, okay. So, you have to insert this one. Just a minute, guys. I'm crazy. So, this is what I bought today. I don't know why I buy this one. Actually, I don't need this. I hope. Okay, just remove this one. This. And put like, no. Put it here. It's like, so it's there. And then lock it with this. This one. But it looks sturdy also. Maybe this is good. I don't have that one like others. They use a very tall one with tripod, very long one. But I don't have this kitty. See? Okay, here it is. Here it is. But it's too tight. I think it will not come off. Oh, good, not good. A very big clip. Oh, you can clip it on the table like this. This is a thick table. Anyway, I will clip it on my table and then put this here. I wanna try. Oh, it's USB also. When I put the USB, I have no more. Okay, let's try. And then, where to turn it on? Here. Turn it on. Oh! Look guys. That is, I pressed one, then plus. Nothing happened. Then minus. Oh, look at my face. Minus. Turn on. On. Then plus. Nothing happened, minus. Is there any change? You have to reduce the light and increase the light. And what is this next one? Oh. Okay, this is it. Is it good? $20. Anyway, my face is still the same. It's cutie. So that's all for today. That is my unboxing today. So, I'm happy to buy this stuff, and I'm excited to use this for my live streaming. So what's up, guys? Those who haven't subscribed to my channel, mag-subscribe na kayo. At yung mga subscribers ko, mag-live stream na tayo. And then, let's enjoy the YouTubing. Kahit ganito lang ginagawa natin, let's enjoy and gain more friends and support each other. That's all for today. Shout out to my Cell Angels, they are members, to my Cell Buddy members, sa lahat ng mga subscribers ko, sa mga laging kachika ko dyan. Mga kachika! Shout out sa inyong lahat. At so much for everything. And guys, have a safe day everyone. And enjoy YT and enjoy life. That's all. Bye-bye. Have a good day.